read and learn shine so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight.
Read and learn, shine so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight. eSchoolify series, fun and true. Learning dreams for me and you.
Welcome to eSchoolify series.
Good morning and Assalamualaikum. Me Sayyida Maryam Naqvi from the Moonlight International Publishers. Dear students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Look over here. Count the balloons with me. How many balloons are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 balloons. Yes, you are right. Today, we will identify number 5. We will learn how to write number 5 and we will count the objects as well and write number 5 in verse. So, let's start. Start from the dot, come straight down, make semicircle, make sleeping line. It will make number 5. We have 5 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, let's read with me in words as well. F, I, V, E, 5. F, I, V, E, 5. 5 balloons. 5 fingers. Very good. What's the riddle of today? I have fingers on my one hand, but not on the other. Who am I? I am number 5. I am number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, it's story time. Are you ready? Very good. A boy held 5 colorful balloons. They floated above him. He felt very happy. Now, tell me, do you like balloons? Colorful balloons. Sing like, these are 5 colorful balloons. I hope so. Now, it's easier for yourself to recognize number 5 and count these objects. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.